In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate PDF files from your Airtable data. First, we need to head over to Airtable's website, so if you're near a computer, go ahead and open your favorite web browser and type in Airtable's address. Once you're there, move your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the sign in button. Click on that and you'll be taken to the next page where you'll sign into your account. If you've used Airtable before, this should be a familiar landscape. Enter your login credentials and confirm your details by clicking on the Continue button. Now that you're logged in, you should see your Airtable workspace. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the specific project you want to draw information from for your PDF. Once you've chosen the right base, click on it to open. Within your selected base, you'll find a variety of views for presenting your data. To proceed, look for the option labelled Forms located along the top navigation bar and click on that. This will provide you with several different views to showcase or utilize your data effectively. Now let's focus on switching to the grid view. The grid view will make it easier for you to see your data structured in rows and columns, much like a spreadsheet. Being in the grid view is essential for our next steps, so go ahead and click on it. This view should provide you with an organized layout, making it simple to select specific data records you want to turn into a PDF. So now that you have your data set up in the grid view, locate and click on the print view. This is the option you'll use to prepare the data visually before converting it into a PDF file. At this point, you're prompted with different options for saving your data, one of them being Save as PDF. Select this option to prepare for printing. Finally, the last step in this process is to execute the print command. After selecting Save as PDF, you should see the print button emerge. Once it does, click on it. This is the moment your data is converted into a neat PDF file, ready for distribution, storage, or further analysis. Be sure to check that the PDF aligns with what you expect. You can always go back and make adjustments if necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a PDF from your Airtable data. This process is a handy way to share structured information without needing others to interact with the data source directly. Feel free to dive deeper into Airtable's other features to explore more ways this platform can meet your needs. Thank you for following along, and happy organizing.